Casters ensure that employees can easily move push carts, order fulfillment carts, kitting carts, finished product carts, and trolleys from one location to the next. Without industrial casters, employees would risk severe injuries having to lift and carry large volumes of products. Casters work best when they encounter minimal resistance when rolling on different types of flooring and terrains. For uneven flooring, opting for a bigger diameter will be beneficial, as the bigger diameter will enable the cart to roll with less resistance. Another example worth mentioning is to use stem casters for light-duty applications to avoid overloading the stem casters. Most importantly, choosing the right industrial casters ensures the safety of your employees as well as the protection of the products in transit. There are two types of casters commonly used. The primary difference between stem casters and plate casters is how they are connected to material handling carts. Stem casters have a stem or straight vertical location pin that allows the caster to easily slide into the base of mobile carts. Swivel stem and rigid stem casters should be relegated to mobile carts carrying lower weights, such as shadow boards, rotating cube boards, meeting space boards, and 3 or 4-sided tack boards, to name a few examples. Within the swivel stem and rigid stem casters, we have the 3-inch light duty made for small trips, infrequent uses, and carts weighing less than 200 pounds. From there, we move to the 4-inch standard or medium duty swivel stem and/or rigid stem caster, made for longer trips, more frequent use, and carts weighing less than 400 pounds. The second type is plate casters. Plate casters include a square plate with 4 or more pilot holes where fasteners such as screws, bolts, nuts, and washers are used to connect the caster to the material handling cart. The first one we have is the 4-inch standard plate caster. These are made for longer trips. They have high frequency. These are carts weighing more than 400 pounds and work with 80/20 and Flexpipe framing systems. From there, we have the 6-inch standard plate caster, which is made for higher loads and smooth rolling. Made of thermoplastic rubber, these are great for carts weighing over 400 pounds, and they work with 80/20 and Flexpipe framing systems. From there, we have the 6-inch heavy-duty towable plate caster. Again, longer, higher frequency trips. These are made of polyurethane, so they are more dense. Carts weighing more than 500 pounds, and they work with 80/20 and Flexpipe framing systems. From there, we have the 8-inch heavy-duty slow-speed manual push caster. So these are going to be ideal for heavy carts that require manual pushing. The design reduces the push-pull force necessary to move the cart, and they can hold up to 1,200 pounds per caster. We carry ESD-friendly casters as well. These casters are anti-static, making them ideal for environments where static discharge must be managed or prevented. Typical applications include situations where equipment or products are exposed to static electricity, such as in the electronics industry and medical device manufacturing. We also carry lift kit-friendly stem casters, which are great to make any static lift kit workstation mobile. With so much variety, surely we can find the right casters to meet your cart's demand. Something to remember. Given their repeated use, it's important to inspect the casters every 3 to 4 months and ensure the fasteners, nuts, bolts, and bearings aren't loose or otherwise dislodged. Reference the load capacity guide chart to ensure you use the right caster. For any more info, head over to flexpipeinc.com and/or give us a call today.